What is up, everybody? It's Chris here from Nup Effects, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Mandrake as a decoration or anything like that. So let's just jump right in. Now, before we get to the good stuff, I do want to do a disclaimer. I am only showing the Mandrake. The painting process is pretty simple, but this little planter right here was 3D printed and just weathered using black and brown shoe polish. It's not a full Mandrake, it pops off. There's a little false bottom on here that goes on, and then let's get back to it. I'd like to thank you all for sticking around to the end of the video. If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you can, share it. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel, help me keep creating, and I will see you on the next one.